I'm the Toothless Reseller. I'm back, you guys. Unfortunately, I've lost a family member, and we had to clean out her house. It was my aunt, so being a reseller, luckily, she had a lot of knickknacks, a lot of odds and ends. You can see there's Christmas stuff here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that I'm going through at the moment. She died from a heart attack, so everybody's just kind of split with different stuff, and we went with what we had. So I pretty much got all the knickknacks and stuff. Uh, Got some bottles over here, some weird stuff down here. I'm just going to take you down to the basement, show you. Got some VHSs, not that good, but this whole book right here, come on, Mike. There we go. This whole book right here, I literally have to bring stuff up here, take pictures of it, and then once I get back up here and take pictures of it, I put it on the scale over here, weigh it out, and then I put it in this book. So I literally have... Oh, there's one page, and I have a whole other page back here that I had to rip out because it was filled. In the basement time, I still got to clean this place up a little bit and put some paint on the walls over here. So I got a box of stuff over here. I've kind of cleaned up the toys and the hats over this way. But this all came out of my aunt's house. Got a box. I got to move this stuff off. So right here, it's a bunch of vintage paintings and pictures. Got some glassware in here. Come up here. We got some of these nice eagle figures. There's a lot of them. Oh, shoot. There's a lot of them in here. I've listed all of these. Yeah. So that was quite a... Please don't break. All right. So we got boxes upon boxes. I don't even know what's in this one. I can't remember. Let's check it out right quick. Yeah, so there's just like cookie holders, canisters, lanterns, teapots, and all sorts of stuff. I just have it all wrapped so it don't break and stuff. So this right here is actually a new dryer that was in my aunt's house. I went ahead and changed it around. I didn't want this dryer anymore, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sell this one for 20 bucks. The knob's kind of messed up, that's why there's a clothes hanger here, but it still works if you put the arrow to the 0. So it still works and dries. I was just gonna change this one out from my aunt's washer, but hers is brand new, and it has all that electronic stuff back here in the back. So my point was if I put it in this basement with all the moisture and stuff down here, I don't want all that electrical stuff in the back to get messed up. So it was like a $700 wash machine that she paid for, and she only had it for like a month. So I went ahead and I just posted it on Facebook and I sold it. So I got a few $100s out of that rather than selling this one. This one right here cost me $300 used, so I'm just going to keep this one. I've been trying to straighten it up down here in this basement a little bit. I know it looks like some mouse or rat's going to jump out of somewhere, but it is what it is. I've had to keep stuff. My floor gets really moist because this is a 124-year-old house, you guys got to remember. So this brick here, it's been here for 124 years. All the moisture comes down the wall and gets on the floor, so I have to use the fans to dry it out. So at this moment, I'm currently kind of sorting out the PlayStation games, all the cherished teddies. Those things have actually been selling pretty well. I had over 50 of them. I don't know how many is left here. I do got to get some of these toys out of here. I might just put them up on Facebook Marketplace and get them out of here. I'll show you why. You guys see these bigger toys like this one right here? These right here, I have to ship like UPS. And unfortunately, they cost like $45 to send. But yeah, I can only price them for like maybe 10 bucks to even get them sold. And it's just not worth it. So I just rather put them on Facebook Marketplace. I'd rather put this whole tote on Facebook Marketplace for like 15 bucks and let somebody come and get it. These are my sheets I've been writing down since I got my aunt's stuff into the house and started selling or listing it. So I had some rings and stuff that she had in her jewelry box. I did manage to sell a couple of the, let's see here. There was a gold ring. And then there was another gold ring. I think I sold them for like $125 a piece on eBay. So that's pretty good. All this stuff here, though, each one's a different listing. Most of them are bundled listings, though. As in, I wadded everything up and put it in one. So I still got a lot of stuff to sell. But for instance, these right here, I gotta get these. These are candle holders. I gotta get these ones listed, and these ones listed. I think these ones right here are brass, so those are pretty good. Also, my VHS right here. These are only ones that she had in the boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and list them ones on Mercari just because I cannot list these on eBay due to copyright. I think this is actually like the first video I posted in like the last 3 weeks though, because like I said, we have been dealing with my aunt. She passed away. My brother got most of her stuff, and then my mom got the rest of it. So it all come down here. When my mom didn't want it all, she's like, you know what, just take it and just put it all up. I don't want to deal with most of it. So she took out the couple things that she wanted. As you can see over here, the crock pot. Took out the crock pot, some of these cups right here, the thermos, this stuff, and the blender. So that's what she kept out of most of it. And I think we're going to keep the jewelry boxes. I don't know if I want to. They're not really worth that much. Even though they're vintage, they're not worth that much. So if you guys want to see what happens here in the next couple of weeks, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting again.